If you think creating high-quality videos requires hours of work and expensive software, think again. This AI tool is about to change everything. Introducing AIvideo.com, the all-in-one platform that harnesses the power of 9 cutting-edge AI models, giving you the ability to generate entire videos from just a simple prompt. With its AI native editor, you can customize every detail perfectly, bringing your creative vision to life effortlessly. This groundbreaking tool is packed with features that will revolutionize the way you create content. But don't just take my word for it. Check out this clip I created using AIvideo.com.
Have you ever wondered what makes an ant special? These tiny creatures possess incredible strength, lifting up to 50 times their body weight. Ants live in highly organized colonies, with each member playing a specific role. Their complex communication system uses pheromones to share information. Ants' exoskeletons provide protection and support, while their compound eyes offer a unique view of the world. Some species even farm fungi or herd aphids for food. With over 12,000 known species, ants have adapted to diverse environments worldwide, showcasing nature's remarkable ingenuity.
Head to the AI video website. I'll leave the link in the description box and in the pinned comment so you can follow along. Once you're on the page, you can sign up for an account. If you already have one, just click sign in. I'll sign into my account. Once signed in, you'll see this page. If you're using this tool for the first time, it might be empty. Here on the left, you'll find 2 options: generate complete video from script or topic, and explore the video editor from scratch. Today, I'll focus on the first option. Let's click the plus icon. Here, you can choose from multiple templates. I'll start with an explainer video to show you how I created the video you just saw. Click explainer, and then next, on this page, you can input various details. For the topic, let's enter the amazing life of ants. If you have a script, you can paste it here, but I'll leave it blank to see what the tool can generate. For video duration, the tool allows up to 3 minutes, but I'll select 30 seconds. You can choose different art styles. I'll go with 3D. It also provides an editor note, which I'll explain later. For orientation, I'll choose landscape, and for captions, I'll add a shadow caption. For the voiceover, I'll select Ian. The tool offers many voice options thanks to its integration with 11 Labs. For background music, I'll choose soft, inspiring background music. You can change it as needed, leave everything else as is, and click generate. This will use some credits and take about 3 to 6 minutes. Once it's done, you'll receive an email. Let's wait for it to finish and see the result. While the video is generating, let me show you an example I created earlier. Once it's finished, it will appear like this. Since we created an image in landscape style, you'll need to click the edit button to view the entire clip. Click on edit and the editor will open. The interface looks similar to popular editing tools like CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve, which makes it easy to navigate. This is one of the things I love about this tool. Let me give you a quick overview before showing you how the clip looks and what you can do with it. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of all the visuals used to generate this clip. You'll also find the voiceover, sound effects, background music, and captions. The tool allows you to customize captions by changing the text color, background, font style, and applying different presets of your choice. When it comes to visuals, the tool provides various AI models for video generation, such as Kling 1.6, one of the latest models, as well as Adobe Helio by Minimax, which is amazing to have all in one place. For image generation, you can use models like Luma Phantom, Redraft, Ideogram, and Stable Diffusion to create high-quality visuals. I'll show you how to do this shortly. If you want to convert an image into a video, I'll walk you through that process as well. To get a better view of the timeline, you can adjust the workspace by moving it around. The timeline displays the clips, sound effects, music, and other elements used in the video. Scrubbing through the timeline lets you see how well the video was put together, with captions perfectly aligned, all with minimal effort on my part. Now that the video is created, how can you make changes? There are 2 ways to edit your video on AIvideo.com: AI Edit, Beta. This feature allows you to quickly generate new images or add scenes with AI suggestions. Manual editing. This method provides full control over your edits through the familiar editor interface, which I personally prefer as it's similar to other professional editing tools. For example, if you want to change the intro of the video, click on the image used in the scene. You'll see the prompt that was originally used to generate it. To replace it, select Image, choose your preferred model, such as ideogram, and click Generate. Once the new image is ready, it will be added to your media library. If you have a static image and want to animate it, simply right-click on the image and select Generate Video from Frame. Choose your preferred AI model such as Clean, which is currently one of the best text-to-video and image-to-video models available. Next, select the duration, whether you want the clip to be 5 or 10 seconds long in landscape orientation, and the number of frames to generate. I'll leave it at 5 seconds with 1 frame and click Generate. Once the process is complete, you'll be able to review the results. As you can see, the generated content looks impressive. If you need to make any adjustments, you can easily do so by dragging and dropping elements within the timeline. For instance, if you want to shorten the beginning of a clip, just trim it down, click on it and press Delete on your keyboard. Then drag the updated clip into place and expand it as needed to fit perfectly within the sequence. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Zinny. I create videos showing you how to use AI to build faceless YouTube channels and online businesses that generate passive income. If that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video like this. I've also put together a free checklist and a graphics library to help you kickstart your faceless YouTube journey. You can grab these freebies through the link in the description or the pinned comment below. Now, if you want to create a story where you already have images and a script and want to use them as references, this tool can do that too. Let me show you how. First, click back and then select Generate Complete Video from Script or Topic. I already have one open, so I'll put in the title of my topic. For this example, I'm using Warrior Princess and the Black Jaguar. If you followed my channel, you might remember we used this storyline in a previous tutorial. Let's see how it works here. Next, in the script section, select Custom and paste the script. I'm using one generated by ChatGPT, but you can use your own. For the clip duration, I'll leave it at 30 seconds, but you can adjust as needed. Now, for detailed customization, select the art style. I'll choose semi-realistic 3D animation style and describe it because I have a reference image I'll be using. In the editor's note, you can give detailed instructions on what the tool should do in the video. For the reference images, I uploaded 3 images of my character standing in different positions to capture the aesthetics. For orientation, I'm using landscape, and for captions, I'll use the shadow style again. For the storytelling voice, I like the Eon voice because it adds a mysterious, suspenseful tone. For music, I chose epic, uplifting, and powerful, and I left the audience setting blank. Now you can save your custom video settings as a template to reuse for future projects, which is incredibly powerful. Once everything is set, click Generate. It will start generating and you'll receive a notification once it's complete. To give you a sneak peek, I'll show you a snippet of the one I created earlier. Click Edit and it opens in the same editor window. I'll play it so you can see how it turned out.
Light of a full moon, Princess Kaylani stood on a mossy cliff, her obsidian blade glowing faintly. Below, the jungle trembled as the Black Jaguar, an ancient guardian turned destroyer, prowled through the forbidden valley. Its glowing golden eyes pierced the shadows, and its growl shook the earth. To face the cursed beast, Kaylani began to sing the Song of the Dawn. Her voice, haunting and powerful, echoed through the jungle. The trees shimmered, rivers glowed, and the air crackled with energy as her melody pushed back the darkness. The jaguar emerged, massive and menacing, ready to strike. As the beast lunged, Kaylani leapt from the cliff, her blade gleaming. Her song grew into a fierce battle cry. each note slicing through the jaguar's shadows. The clash of light and dark raged until her final verse shattered the curse. The jaguar stilled, its golden eyes softening as it bowed to Kailani's strength. At dawn, harmony was restored, and the jaguar became her ally, a protector of the jungle alongside the warrior princess.
As you can see, the video turned out quite well. There are a few places where the video morphed slightly and it created realistic images that don't quite fit, like these. You can easily change or remove such scenes. One thing to note is that the character isn't entirely consistent from scene to scene, but it does maintain a similar aesthetic to the original images, which isn't bad. These tools are always evolving and will only get better. Another highlight is the sound effects and music, which perfectly fit the story. The music starts slowly and builds to a climax, enhancing the overall narrative. This is an easy way to create stories from existing images and scripts. Instead of using multiple tools, you can try aivideo.com to get results like this. So I went ahead and experimented with a couple of templates they offer. They have options like nonfiction and romantic cinematic look. I tried both and I'll show you the clips generated from each, starting with the nonfiction documentary template.
In 2020, a global pandemic changed the world. COVID-19 spread rapidly, causing lockdowns and social distancing. Healthcare systems were overwhelmed. The economy faced a major recession. Remote work and online education became the norm. Black Lives Matter protests erupted worldwide. The US presidential election saw record turnout. Australian bushfires devastated wildlife. Beirut suffered a massive explosion. SpaceX launched its first crewed mission. What's your take on 2020's events?
This is the second template.
In the bustling streets of 19th century Atlanta, a pharmacist named John Pemberton concocted a syrup that would change the world. Coca-Cola, born in 1886, began as a modest fountain drink. But its journey to global dominance was anything but ordinary. As America entered the 20th century, Coca-Cola's innovative marketing strategies catapulted it into the national spotlight. The iconic contour bottle, introduced in 1915, became a symbol of American culture. During World War II, Coca-Cola solidified its global presence, following American troops to far-flung corners of the world. In the post-war boom, Coca-Cola's expansion accelerated, penetrating international markets with unprecedented speed. From the "I'd like to buy the world a Coke" campaign to sponsoring Olympic Games, Coca-Cola became more than a beverage. It became a global cultural phenomenon. Today, Coca-Cola is consumed in over 200 countries.
You might ask, what does it cost? The lowest plan starts at $19 up to $99. Because this tool launched recently, all the plans are currently on discount, especially the starter, which costs about $30 but going for $19 at the moment. On top of the ongoing discount, I've secured an exclusive extra 20% off on any plan of your choice for a full year. This is an incredible deal. No AI tool currently has this type of deal for a whole year. To take advantage of this offer, simply use the code Zinny Studio at checkout. That's a quick look at the incredible aivideo.com, and I have to say, it's a game changer. This all-in-one powerhouse simplifies your workflow by eliminating the need for multiple AI tools, making it perfect for creating high-quality faceless YouTube videos with ease. Honestly, I'm blown away by what it can do, and for the price, it's an absolute steal, but I'd love to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're considering starting your own faceless YouTube channel but aren't sure where to begin, click on this video to get started.